In today's video, we'll see the recipe of easy egg puffs made from Puff Dough Paratha. So today we are not gonna make any puff pastry dough, which is the most difficult part of this recipe. Instead, we will make use of the readily available Puff Dough Paratha to make these yummy egg puffs. To begin with, we'll make the filling. For that, I have added some oil to a pan. To this, I'm gonna add in some fennel seeds and saute for a few seconds. Next, I will add in chopped ginger and fresh curry leaves and saute until the raw smell of the ginger is gone. Next goes in some finely sliced onions. I will also add in some chopped green chilies and some salt. We will saute this until the onions turn soft. Next, I'm gonna add in some turmeric powder, red chilli powder, some pepper powder and garam masala. Saute this until you get rid of the raw smell. We will then add in some tomato ketchup and mix it up. So we are done with cooking the masala. I had already boiled some eggs which I have cut into 2 halves. The next step is to actually make the egg puffs. So this is the puff dough paratha that I was speaking about. So this is from the Swiss brand and it's easily available online or in any supermarket. You would actually get 5 parathas in one packet. So we will take one paratha at a time. I'm gonna just peel off the plastic sheet on top. Now use a knife or a pizza cutter to cut out the edges. I will now place 2 spoons of the filling in the center. Next, we will place the egg. Now you bring each of the edges of the paratha to the center and secure it. So my first egg puff is ready. Similarly, we'll make the remaining egg puffs. I will now transfer these egg puffs onto a baking tray. We will also give these an egg wash so that they get a beautiful golden color after baking. The egg puffs are now ready to be baked. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade and bake these for about 15 to 20 minutes or until these turn golden brown in color. The egg puffs are ready. I have taken them out from the oven. Look at the golden color and also the flaky texture. These look so crisp as well. Let me just cut one of them and show it to you. So you have the egg masala with the flaky layers on top. So wasn't that a real quick egg puff recipe? Enjoy these with a hot cup of tea, and these would taste as good as your store-bought egg puffs. So do try this recipe and share your feedback in the comment section below. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe. And watch more interesting recipes on my channel below. Thanks for watching.